Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer from Coinbase to Celsius. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Coinbase and then go to send. Right here you're gonna see send, and you want to pay with, let's say that you want to transfer Ethereum, right? And what you need to do, I don't have any Ethereum available, but this is just like the test video. You want to go to the Celsius application. I'm going to show you straight away. Now, let me show you. What you need to do is this. Let's go Marcus Stone. You're gonna see, it's too bright, so I'm going to lower the brightness. And now you'll be able to see it. You need to transfer coins on the middle, and then you're gonna have, okay, that I need to transfer only Ethereum, and you're gonna have the link here when you're gonna transfer it. So you're gonna have the link here. So again, I come here and I'm going to click transfer coins straight. Then only transfer Ethereum. I'm going to have the link here. You need to copy it. Then I'm going to send it on WhatsApp or just share it somewhere, it doesn't matter. Now I will go to WhatsApp to copy the link. So it's right here, this is how it looks like, let me show you. So this is, look here, and now I come here too, and I simply add how much I want to send of Ethereum and to this address, and then just continue, and voila. Same, I would do it with Bitcoin. I can simply paste it like how much I want. Let's go 100 too. But see, right now I would see that it's not right, the address, so you need to actually transfer Ethereum. So this is pretty much it, how you can transfer from Coinbase to Celsius. I know it's a little clumsy video, but this is how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.